Hi everyone, this is Sue from Nanjing Sumino Machinery, and today we will give you a brief introduction about our PE and PLA extrusion laminating machine. And let's go to the first part. The part into our eyes is the big extruder, and let's go to the first feeder. This is the automatic vacuum suction feeder, and this feeder is very automatic, and workers have no need to feed their materials themselves, and this system will suck the raw material into the dryer, into the feeder, and then dry the raw material. And the second part is the screw, and the screw is especially designed for the PLA and the PE as customer required. The screw size is 90 millimeters. And here we can see the big mold. The mold size is 1,200 millimeters, and on both sides you can make 300 millimeters waist shortened, and so this can adjust the waist from 600 to 1,200 millimeters. It is very adjustable for your base material waist. And this is the whole part of the main extruder. And let's go to the second part, the auxiliary equipment. And here is the unwinder. The unwinder can be suitable for different substrates. And before we use the craft paper, and here we also tested the PET film. You can see, take a close look at the PET film. Even though the surface is very smooth, it can also be laminated by our machine. And since it is mainly for the paper laminated with the plastic, so it is special designed. And here is the drying oven. This is not commonly used by the extrusion laminating machine, but for this design, we used to reduce the moisture of the paper, and also we can make the paper and the plastic get sticky much more stronger. And here is the chrono. The chrono treatment is to make the surface of the substrates much more rough, and it will be much easier for the plastic to stick with it. And let's go to see the compounding unit. The big extruder will move to this compounding unit, and the steel roller and the rubber roller will make the substrate and the plastic get sticky strongly. Here is a controlling system, which is Siemens, and there also the big electricity PLC control system together with this remote control system, and they can control the whole system of the machine. And here is the part of the sliding cutting. You can see the two big round knife. You can cut the side material because the side material might not be the thickness average or some other disadvantages. You want to cut them to get the perfect final product. Here is very useful. And here this part is to blow the side material into another place. That is a very good design. And here is our very characteristic double station winning system. You can see the knife here. The knife can automatically cut the final product automatically, and no need workers to cut the film themselves. So this is very automatic. And here you can see the whole outlook of the winder, and it can automatically change the rolls and cut the rolls. It will be much easier for workers to operate. Here is a lamp light. This is to calculate the meters that you want to wind, because some people, they just want 1,000 meters, and then you set here, and this will allow you it will near the meters. So this is the whole introduction about our extrusion laminating machine, and this is specially designed for our client. And as for extrusion laminating machine, there are more plastic resins like PBAT, PLA, and PPPE, TPU, EVA can also be used by